Perfect day, Coco. Okay, getting back to the beach, to the ship in a private tram. So, hello. You get the best designated driver here, Ronaldo. Where are you from? Rodelio. Okay, yes. At the South Beach. This is actually up and away hot air balloon. We're just passing in to go into the main entrance. Today is a two ship on a port, Liberty and Radiance of the Seas. Door table is right there.
Big ground, turning right to Balloon Road to Central, turn right.
Valentina, your travel agent, track luxury travel leaders by Valentina 561-335-9459. Welcome to the perfect day at Coco.
All clear, Roger.
So this is nursery for the trees?
No, that's our housing.
Housing and nursery too, yes?
Nursery right there. That's our housing on the left side.
So you get a perfect day, 365 days.
Perfect day at Coco.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, we're passing now Jurassic Park.
That's right. Perfect day at Coco Cay. Get another choo-choo train here. So the ships are ready. Liberty is on the left and Radiance is on the right. And it's Captain Jack.
So for those who have a trouble walking, we have tram services going back to the ship on the left side. You gotta line up with those people sitting on the left side. Please everybody exit only on the driver's left side except to the front seat, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank
Except
you.
for the front seat, does that mean her or does that mean us too?
Yes, sir.
I will be
You
staying.
don't want her to crawl over your lap? What's up, dude?
That's
so
right.
much.
I will
Thank
be
you.
staying here.
Appreciate it.